Hello, once again, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm taking you into the world of AI, and I will be introducing you to an AI agent called Replit Agent. First, how has AI evolved over the years? You will, if you have been following um, the trajectory or the evolution of AI, let me quickly take you through a simple um, a simple evolution of how AI has evolved over the years of AI. You know that AI first started as deep learning, as deep learning, and after deep learning, it moves to perception AI. Move to perception AI, and when we have perception AI, under it we have stuffs like speech recognition. Okay, we have something like speech recognition. We have something like deep rexes. I've mentioned that deep rexes. Okay, we have medical imaging, medical imaging. Okay, all these were all developed under the perception AI. Then after that, AI now grew, you know, and evolved to what we call generative AI. Generative AI was a turnaround. Generative AI was a turnaround in the evolution and development of AI. You know, when the chat GPT or when the GPT of this world came around. So under generative AI, a tremendous um, development or what can I say, improvement has been made to AI. In that case, we have something like digital marketing. It has really helped in that in digital marketing, where AI can do a whole lot for you in the digital marketing and content creation. Okay, content creation was also um, a product of generative AI. And now we are in the stage of what we call agentic AI. Agentic AI. Under agentic AI, we have something we call coding assistance. But this is a case where an AI is more of an agent, you know, where you can give an assignment and it's going to carry it out. Okay, so that is what we have under agentic AM. We also have customer services. That's also possible. Then we have the physical AI. Okay, we have the physical AI, where you have the robots of this world. Okay, we have the robots of this world, or let me say robotics generally, and we have the self-driving cars, self-driving cars. Right. So in the whole um, um, environment or ecosystem of artificial intelligence, you must find a way to key yourself into any of these one, especially starting from the generative AI or to the agentic AI. You must be able to fit yourself into it and take advantage of what they offer to better your work. So today, like I said, I'm going to be introducing you to Replit Agent. Replit Agent is like it's a code assistant agent that thinks like a developer. And what it does is all you just need is to come up with an idea, put the idea in text and provide this idea to this agent in form of a prompt. And this agent will build your idea for you, and then you can, make use of it. You can make money from it. You can sell them. You must, generally in this in world now, to make money is to solve problem. So all you need is to get an idea that solves a particular problem, provide the idea to the agent, and the agent will build an application or maybe a website to solve that problem that uh, you have just provided the idea. Now, how do we get started with um, Replit Agent? It is very easy. This is the um, console of the agent. Well, how do you get started? All you just need is to go to your browser, look for Replit Agent, and then you can what? You can sign up. Click on it, and it will ask you to sign up with. But because I already signed up on this computer, that's why it's taking me straight to my account. So you just sign up with your Google or with your GitHub or whatever. Now, how does this? How does it work? You are going to provide an idea, and it's going to generate and solve a problem for you. What is very um, what is very important that you should know about this Replit agent when compared to other code assistant agents such as GitHub Copilot or like Cursor or like Codium. All these I mentioned are all AI coding assistant. But when it comes to uh, when compared to all other coding assistants or assisting coding assistant, Replit came with an advantage because one, it has a project management capability. It can build your application from end to end. It can bring both the front end and the back end. It can integrate it, and it can even go as far as what deploying the application. Unlike when you compare it to GitHub Copilot, for example, GitHub Copilot excel when it comes to code completion and code suggestion or troubleshooting and debugging codes, but it lacks the project management capabilities. So, but when it comes to Replit, Replit can build your code, can manage the workflow and the pipeline, and can go as far as deploying the application as we are going to see in a simple demonstration now. And like I said, all you need to do is to provide a prompt. So I came up with an idea. I saw an idea and I just modify it. And what is the idea all about? Let's see. So the idea is, I said, develop a simple peer-to-peer. This is a prompt. Let me increase the font so that you can see clearly. Okay. I'm giving it an idea. I say, develop a simple peer-to-peer file transfer tool that allow user to share file across devices using a local web server and QR code. The sender upload the file and a QR code is generated with a link to download it. The receiver scan the code and download it. Oh, I can even add the receiver scan the code, scan the QR code, or copy the link, and download the file instantly. So, and I just gave some other follow-up. So this is a prompt now. So I'm going to provide this prompt to this AI agent, and let us see how this prompt is going to be built. So I'm going to copy the prompt. So this is an idea. What is the idea all about? I want to create an application such that when I upload a file onto the application will generate a QR code and also generate a link. So that if I send the QR code or I send the link to anybody, that when that person can scan the code and download the same file, or that person can use the link to download the file. Just put the link in the browser, and the code and the file will be downloaded. So that's what I want this agent to build for me. So I'm going to copy this prompt and I'm going to take it to my agent prompt. I'm going to paste it and I'll just say start building. This is all I need to do. And let's give it a minute and um, it's going to work on it. Now, what I noticed that in the process is it's going to first build a prototype for that application. Then it's going to suggest to you what he intends to build, and it's going to ask um, for your vision if you want him to go ahead. So when you say you should go ahead to build it, it's going to supply you with some idea. Okay, just like what I've said now. He said I have created a plan for the peer-to-peer file, and blah blah blah. And he said, okay, would you like any of the additional feature? So it's suggesting to me if there's a feature I would like to add to this application or to this idea. It's suggesting if I want to add file encryption, if I want to implement chunk upload, add customer expiration, add custom expiration time, and enable multiple file transfer. Okay, I want all the suggestion that it has brought. Then I will approve the plan and start building. Now let's watch it build the application, and we're going to test it to see if this application actually works. So it's building it. It's going to write the code. You can see it's writing the code. Now, I'm very sure this look like a threat to website or to developers. Well, do you think so? I don't really think so. I think since at a point it's actually need human intervention to continue. I think I will not want to agree that it's going to be a threat um, to developers. But however, it's a call for it's a wake up call. So let's see as this agent built, you can see it is still writing the code, it's working on it. And then let's see how far. And if you look at the progress it's making on the other side, look at the left pane here, show 5 more lines. It's telling you what is created, added support Python, install the dependencies. It's installing the QR code now, and then it's starting the application. Let's see. Okay. So you see now, it says I should take a screenshot. Now this is the it got for me. Now, if you look at right down at the bottom here, it says I can open in a web browser. Okay. If you look at it at the bottom left, open in the web browser. Let me see if I can improve. Yeah, okay. If you look right down at the bottom, it says open in a web browser. So let me see if I can open in the web browser. Okay, this is the prompt it gave to me. Let me click on the top here where I can see web view. Okay, it's already in the web view, I think. Now, let us see if I can upload a file. It says choose a file or upload a file. Let me click on upload a file. Okay, please select file first. Okay, I'll click on choose a file. Now you can see it takes me to my window, to my file explorer to pick up a file. Okay, let me pick up. Okay, I have this file. I call it kind X. Okay, let me select this Linux file, and I'm going to upload it and click on upload. Okay, you can see now it said upload failed to process file. So I'm going to copy this. That's not a problem. I'll copy this error and I'll put it back to the agent. I'll let the agent know that upload failed. So I paste it here and I allow it to work. So it has generated the file and he called it P2P file transfer. I never suggested that name. He suggested the name by itself and has given me a prompt. He asked me to try to upload. I uploaded the file. The file failed. So I copied the error and went back to it and I said, there's an error. And it says, I see the error in the log. We are missing something. So it's working on it again. All right. So let's see. It says started the application. So let's verify if the upload and QR generation are working. Okay, let's go back. I'll go back again. I'll click on the file. I'll select the same file, Linux, and I'll click on open. Okay. Sorry. Let me open it again in the web browser. Click on the file, select the file, upload, and upload the file. The file still failed, so I'm still going to copy and go back there and let the file know that I could not upload the file. Is fixed. Okay, come back there again. So let's see what is going to happen. It's working again. Say, okay, I see the file upload error. Let me fix the issue. Okay, we are waiting for you to fix the issue. Let's see. Yeah, I tend to make this a very short video, if not because of the error we are seeing. So let's see if it will be able to fix the error. Okay, it's working on it. It's starting the application again. Okay, he said it's still thinking. He said, can you upload a file again? Okay, let me try. Web view. I will choose file. I will choose Linux and upload and click on upload. Oh my God, still failing. Let me try another file, maybe. Let me see. Replit to open, upload. Yeah, the file is still failing. Okay, I will go back there again. Still having same error. Okay, I'm still waiting. Let's see. See what it's saying. I see the persistence error. Let me fix the QR code generation by completely reversing the code. Okay, go ahead. All we want is for you to fix this error. Okay. Let's give it a few more minutes. Seconds or minutes. You can see when it's thinking, when it's working, it's telling you everything that has been done. It's reviewing the message now, considering option. Okay. Let's see, determining next step. Okay, install QR code PIL. Hitting the file handler again. Okay, I think it's back. So I'm going to click on web view again, choose file. I still want to go with the same file, Linux. The file is there, and I'll click on upload. Okay, you can see now this time it's successful. You can see file uploaded successfully. The file will be available for 5 minutes and it will be expired. You can see now it has generated the code and it has given me the link. Now let's quickly see which file did I upload. Let me go back to my download folder, and this is the file Linux. Let me click on it. So this is the file that I uploaded. So I'm going to close it and I'm going to copy the link. This is the link, and I'm going to open another browser and I'm going to paste it. So if I paste it, you can see just right at the top here, the file has been downloaded. And let me click on the file, and you can see this is the file. So it could be that easy. So all you just need is provide a prompt to the get an idea, develop the idea, make a good prompt from the idea, provide the idea to the agent, and the agent will build an application for you. So, and the file will expire in 5 minutes. So that means after 5 minutes, if the recipient did not download it, then the file will expire. He won't be able to download it again. So you can also go ahead if you want to share another file. You click on it, then the same process. Let me say if I want to do Replit, and I click on it, and I upload the file. The file is successful. So if you want to scan, you can just scan the code and you'll be able to download it, or you can just copy the link again, go to another tab or on your own computer, and you'll be able to what? You can see the file has been what? The file has been downloaded, and this is the file. So now after the application is completed, if you find out that you are not satisfied with it, you can go back to the prompt and and ask the agent to improve on certain thing. Or if you want to roll back, look at it up here, you can roll back to the previous. If you make an improvement, for example, like those improvements I made on them, asking him to fix an error, if I want it to revert back to a certain, to the previous state of the application, I'll just click on roll back, and it's going to take it back to a certain application stage based on the code that you see here. Now, if you are good and you're okay with the application, then you can go ahead and deploy it. Look at the up here, you can deploy it. Now, to deploy it, of course, I think you need to upgrade your plan on the application. But let's click on deploy and let's see what we have. So you can deploy to either a reserved VM. So that means in this case, it's going to be always on server. There's a server that has been hosted in the cloud that you can deploy it, and it's going to be there permanently. Also, you can choose by agent using auto scale. That means maybe you want to you want to deploy it to maybe Kubernetes in AWS or Azure. I'm very sure that is what this is going to be. And if it is a static website, you can use this simple HTML website. You can also schedule time job scheduler. So these are all deployment options that you can deploy your application or your website on. So it's a very fantastic, very powerful agent like that can do your work. But like I said, it said upgrade your plan to deploy. This is just a free plan that I'm using, and I will need to upgrade the plan to be able to deploy it. So you can even build application for fun and just deploy it, and I'm very sure the pricing might not be too much. So if you want to go back to the progress, you click on progress, it shows you where it is. And you can see on the left pane, there are still so many other functions or functionality or capabilities that you have. We have some automated developer. We have a quick edit. This is the progress, just like you have over here. This is the web view. This is the deployment when it has gone to live. And this is all tools. These are all the tools that are available: integration, deployment, authentication, database. So this is a very powerful tool. And like I said, it can you can build your project hand to hand, both the front end and the back end. And it's also able to walk you through your code management and also through the pipeline and development workflow. So this is a very good AI agent, and I would like you to try it out. So I've made a simple a little article on this, which I've just posted on Medium. I'm going to provide the link in the comment section. If you want to know more about this agent, you can just read about it. And I want you to try it out. I'm also going to provide my prompt so that you can use it if you want to try it out. And I believe it's going to be a very good experience. So on your own, you can go generate an idea, provide the idea, and see what Replit Agent can do for you. So this is what I bring or what I have brought for you today. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and make comments so that anytime I post a new video, you can get notification. Peace.